If you want to own a Bitcoin or want to have biryani for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
If you had like $1 billion, but you only get to live for 10 years, would you take it? What's the best investment you made? The first best investment you made? ನೀವು ಬರೋ ವರ್ಷ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? RCB ಗೆಲ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಜಯ್ ಮಾಲ್ಯ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ?
ಎಲ್ಲದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್.
So does your money jiggle or fold? Hi, I'm Simran and this is Karan. We are from Trade Brains, your very own personal finance platform.
Today in Bangalore, we're going to chat up a few strangers and ask them a few questions about money. So join us to find out.
So what is the best investment that you've made in your life?
The best investment I made in my life, I think has to be my laptop. I saved up for a nice laptop because I wanted to do like video editing and stuff. So I think.
Do you invest in the stock market?
Not a lot, but I've started learning.
Okay, that's nice. So, what's your best investment?
Best investment, I think Reliance.
Nice. Oh, you're an Ambani fan.
I mean, like, you gotta be like when
When he makes money, right? When he makes money. Nice. What's the best investment you made? The first best investment you made?
I guess Paytm Gold back in 2017.
Right. Okay. Oh, what about you?
So mostly in blue chip companies only I invest.
Okay. That's great. You?
First, I got an IPO from my LIC.
Oh,
it's
damn. We have
It's too lucky.
the first time we're meeting an LIC investor. Okay.
Yeah, it's down still, but I got that IPO. I still kind of think it is a worthy.
So, are you going long or are you going short on it?
I'm going long on it.
तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है?
Okay. Nice. That's great to know.
Ask you if you want to own a Bitcoin or want to have biryani for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
Well, looking at how crypto is right now, if you ask me today, I'll say biryani. If you ask me 6 months ago, I'd probably say Bitcoin.
Alright.
Well, what's your favorite dish? Like all of you in general.
Pizza.
Pizza. What about you?
Dal chawal.
Dal chawal.
Sambar sadam.
Okay. So, if you had the chance today, I'd ask each of you, would you want pizza, dal chawal, and sambar in exchange for 1 Bitcoin right now? Would you take it?
Yeah, why not?
Best deal.
Nice. We all love money, right?
Yeah.
So, if you had like $1 billion, but you only get to live for 10 years, would you take it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Why would you? It's obvious, yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's better to live a lavish life for a short amount of time than live a.
We're here for a good time,
Yeah,
not for a long
exactly.
time. Yeah, understood. Okay. If you had $1 billion given to you right now, but you only get to live 10 years, would you take it?
Yeah, might be. Yes, I would take it. I would invest like in 5 or 6 places
Okay.
through which I can get a constant source of income till 10 years till I die.
Okay. You want your money making more money.
Yeah, so that I
Nice.
enjoy more till I die.
That's amazing. What about you?
Yes, definitely, because you don't know, like you might live only 5 years. Like
So you're getting 10 years, that's a better deal. Okay, what about you?
Same opinion.
my answer also the same.
Okay. But what would you guys do with your money?
Still and go for
Live to
Hawaii,
the fullest.
Maldives.
That's nice, that's amazing.
Say that you become a billionaire,
Okay.
but then you have to let go of your life. As in, if you're a billionaire, you can live for only 10 years. Otherwise, you let go of that offer. What would you choose? Would you choose your life or would you choose to be a billionaire?
Definitely life over money any day.
Why is that so?
I mean, if you have life, and let's say if you're just a millionaire with life, I mean that's if life ends, how would your money matter? I mean, you're just
But
going
you're getting to live for 10 years, right? So 10 years is a great time to spend money and do a lot of things.
I don't have a lot of expenses to be such. So I think I'm going to live. I'm not going to like choose being billionaire for
That's
10 years.
great. Alright.
Billionaire maybe. 10 years being a billionaire will give you so many things.
Alright. What about you, sir?
Yeah, same here. Like definitely we want to be a billionaire, but of course like that doesn't mean that like we will compromise with our family. So definitely yeah, billionaire is my first preference, of course.
Even if you get to live only for 10 years.
10 years, yeah. Why not?
Alright.
We'll leave some money for the family also.
That's a nice idea. Yeah. So does your money jiggle or fold?
Definitely folds.
Okay.
Yeah, I kind of, yeah, I am more of a fold, I would say, person. I kind of fold first and then leave the remaining part to jiggle.
1 hour later. One eternity later.
What about you, sir?
And I'm also thinking like what to answer the question.
Somewhere in between.
Alright, thanks.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ವೆದರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಈಗ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದು ಹೋದಾಗಿನ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವಿಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಆಟೋ ಅವರು ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಜನ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ?
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ,
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮುಂಚೆಗಿಂತ ಈಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆ ಥರ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ದುಡಿತೀವಿ, ನಾಳೆ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಎತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಯಿತು.
ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ನೀವು ಬರೋ ವರ್ಷ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ? RCB ಗೆಲ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಜಯ್ ಮಾಲ್ಯ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ?
ಎಲ್ಲೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟೇ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಗೆದ್ಕೊ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೆಲ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಲ್ಯ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋದೇನೋ ಸೀನ್ ಐತಾ, ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಐತಾ?
ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವರು, ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ.
ಅವರು ಬರಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ RCB ಕಪ್ಪು ಗೆಲ್ಲಿ,
ಬರಲಿ,
ಎರಡೂ ಆಗಲಿ.
100%.
Alright, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We got some amazing answers from the folks in Bengaluru.
Bitcoin or your favorite food for the rest of your life? What would you choose?